Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, I'm Azaura Rahma Syalaisa.
I am Chalisa Rafeyfa Putri.
I'm Dinda Qalbi Arrahmah.
I'm also Patrick Liu.
I'm Rahma Lukmansyah.
And we're from
Third
Group. And today we'll be making sandwich. Let's go. And as for the ingredients we have. Did we forget to buy the stuff?
Mayonaise. There is no tomato here, only ketchup.
And now that we finally have the ingredients, first we have tomato and lettuce,
eggs, a bottle of ketchup, mayonnaise and chili sauce,
And sliced cheese.
bread. Before we start to cook, let's wash our hands. And now that we're done washing our hands, we can start cooking.
All we need to do is crack the egg. Season it as much as you prefer. And fry.
While we wait for the egg, we can go ahead and chop the vegetables.
First, remove the lettuce leaves from the stems. For the tomato, cut them into thin slices.
As the last part of making a sandwich, we're gonna put one slice of our bread, a lettuce, an egg, a slice of cheese, a tomato, some condiments, and some other condiments. And then top it off with another slice of bread. And there you have it, a sandwich.
And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye!